What is up, guys? My name is Mike. Welcome to the channel. This is my 10-foot aluminum John boat, and today we're going to be applying HERCULINER to the bottom. This is my 10-footer. I just did a full video on the deck build. I did a front and rear casting deck, and today I want to apply a coating of protection to the bottom. We took it out for the first time yesterday, had an awesome day out in the water. Got one. We are on, boys. Yeah. It's a good one too.
Oh yeah. Bring it over here.
That is it. Yeah, buddy. The grub, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. First bass flopped on the new deck. We're back today, and you can see it's got some scuffs right here. You know, the ribs get all scuffed up. It's got scratches and paint coming off the sides, and overall just not pretty. It's not really well protected on the bottom, so I figured we would do something about it. Did some research online. A lot of guys say the HERCULINER works good. 2 coats of the bed liner on the bottom, and it protects from chips, rocks, gravel, sand, all that kind of crap you run into when you are fishing ponds and lakes. So that is today's video. Should be fun. First thing we need to do is clean off the filth from a good day out in the water, because you got dirt and grass and all this kind of pond stuff. All this crap's got to get all wiped down. So I'm just using a little bit of dish soap and a rag and warm water to get all that filth cleaned. All right, so we washed off all the junk that was on here. We're gonna just scuff it up with a Brillo pad to get the surface to adhere. Just rough it up. Just kind of go rib by rib, so I make sure that I get everything nice and scuffed. They say it adheres to paint. Like if you already painted your boat like I did, it'll still adhere to it, so that's a good thing. So we're gonna get the rest of this scuffed up. All right, so we got everything scuffed up. You can see the marks, and I'm gonna wipe everything down with a cloth, a damp cloth, to get everything out, and then we'll be ready to start rolling. Boat's been washed, scuffed up, and now everything has been wiped clear. So we're gonna let this air dry for a few minutes. I'm gonna tape this off with painter's tape so we get a nice crisp line. So we're gonna do an angle here and bed line that, and then straight across. So that's next. I think that should be good. I think that's good. I think that's good right there. We'll come in right here with the bed liner. That'll go straight across like that for the back, and then it meets up again right there for this corner. We got our rollers. I figured this would be a good size to get in between the ribs and fit everything. Got a 2-pack in case I need them. Of course, what did I forget while I was at the hardware store? I bought this. I didn't get a stirrer, so I got a little makeshift one. I don't want to hear you guys making fun of me in the comments. That's what I got. So, wow. This stuff is thick. So it's got all this gritty material in there, and that's got to all get mixed up really well. It's all in the corners. That's pretty much mixed pretty even. You can see all the grit in there, which is obviously what we need. So I'm gonna start with a brush on the back spots and see how that goes. This stuff is messy. So that's the back corner, bottom of the transom, and this corner. And now we just got to do the whole entire boat. Final pass. There we go. And that is the first coat of the HERCULINER on the bottom of the JON boat. Looks pretty good. Got everything on the back, corners, bottom of the transom, got that corner, and the whole boat. It says that between an hour to 4 hours, so we'll see you guys for the second coat, and it's done.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? We're back. It is Friday. It's been, I don't know how many days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, who knows. It's been raining like crazy. Today it is finally sunny. We have our coffee. We're gonna get the boat out. We're gonna work on it outside today because that stuff smelled way too bad. Literally with the door open, it stunk up the whole house. So it's a nice day. We're gonna work on it outside and let's get it out. All right, we got stuff to move. Jace! This is what happens when you're a skateboarder and a fisherman. The boat. This stuff. Look at that, dude, yes. I'm gonna paint the green over the black here and then paint the green over this on the back and then over there.
What's up?
Scoot it over. Oh, that's good. The actual paint stirrer definitely works better because you can get in all those crevices. I'm just gonna put in about that much for now. So it's a little hard to see the second pass. One thing that I found to be really, really helpful for the ribs is to just go halfway and push into it like that. See this part here? If you push into the rib like that, it helps really get a good cover. On these, I'll do half that way and then half this way. Back. This is the second coat finished up and it looks like it covered great. So it says 2 coats. I still have, I'd say, a third left. I think it's like the quart or whatever it is, but it is enough to do a 10-foot John boat, 2 coats. I don't think it needs a third. This looks like it's got plenty of coverage and protection like that. So I'm gonna keep that can for extra in case I need it down the road if stuff comes up. But that is it. We're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna have the satisfying part of peeling the tape off and the final reveal. This has been sitting pretty much all day. We're gonna strip all the tape off the side. Yeah, they did that. So that's the finished result. Once this fully cures, it's gonna take 24 to 48 hours. I'm gonna come in and I'm just gonna paint this part here to match the boat. Side right here, that little lip, that's all gonna match the boat and be green. And then I'm gonna leave the bottom black. This is a great way to protect the bottom of your John boat at a really good price. I mean, I think I paid 30 bucks for the can of HERCULINER, and I still have a third of it left. All right, guys, so that is the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for all kinds of fishing content. This is gonna be out and being used like crazy this year. I have another video I'll link at the end of this of the build of the decks that we did. That's on the underside. You can't really see it now. Make sure to like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.